In this video, we're going to write an inequality from a number line. So if we have a problem like this one that says, what inequality does the number line show? And start your answer with X. So we have this number line. We could see here 10 is included and there's an arrow. So first step is notice the blue arrow pointing to the right. That means that X can be any number greater than 10. So that means it's any number greater than 10 because it keeps going. So then we notice that numbers are getting bigger going this way, right? So keep that in mind. Now notice that the little circle is filled in. So now we can decide and say this means the answer includes the number. So we know equals is part of the answer. So we know equals is part of the answer and numbers are getting bigger, which tells us greater, right? So we are now ready to write our answer. Since X is equal to or greater than any number larger than 10, then the inequality is 10 is greater than, X is greater than or equal to 10. So that's the answer. Okay, we figured everything out. We used all the clues on this graph to tell us that X is greater than or equal to 10. And that's it. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. You could follow along as you watch the video. There's a link there. Will take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.